Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So on a quick one today, we're going to be seeing how we made this DIY clear lip gloss. And the things we'll be needing for this recipe is a pair of gloves, a Versa gel, a flavor of your choice, a mixing bowl for mixing, a little spatula, and the tubes to transfer your lip gloss to. We'll also be needing some coconut oil. Okay, so this my Versa gel is a Versa gel from TKB, and I purchased this on Amazon. I think there are a few vendors who sells this as well, but however I prefer TKB because it's thicker, although I have not tried any other. So I'm just gonna add a little of my Versa gel into my bowl, which is the main base for our lip gloss. So afterwards, I'm just going to add some coconut oil to this. The coconut oil you choose in this recipe is very important because this recipe is going to be used on the lips and must not be irritant on the lips. Also, it should have a very nice smell. Also, you're not going to be adding the coconut oil too much because we want a thick base, so you just have to be skeptical on how you add your coconut oil so you don't make this to be too watery. So here I'll be going in with my flavor. I'm not going to be too selective with my flavor here because this is a clear lip gloss, so I can literally use any flavor of my choice. But if it were to be a colored lip gloss, I would have used a flavor that is related to the color of the lip gloss that I was making. Okay, so this is this for this, and our lip gloss is ready. In order to fix this in our tube, we'll be needing a syringe because we will not be able to pour this into the tube just like that. So I'll just pull out my syringe and just pour my lip gloss in through, just like this. And then I'm gonna fix in the syringe back and just push slowly into my tube. So this way it's easier to get my lip gloss into my tube other than just pouring through. So here is our clear lip gloss, so simple and easy. I'll be making another lip gloss with pigment, more flavors, and confettis, and I hope you stay tuned so you can get a glimpse of that video too. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope you're just giving this video a thumb up and you're gonna give this a try. This lip gloss is really thick and just so simple and easy to make with very few ingredients, and you can start your own lip gloss brand just starting this way and you make a lot of profit from it. All right, so for you who've not subscribed, please do that right away, and I'll surely see you in my next video.